More than $1.6 million was earned by uploading just 130 videos. These videos were made using completely free AI tools. They were created very easily, almost without any effort. Because these videos are in the luxury car restoration niche, people who make this kind of content are earning not just thousands, but millions of dollars, all while working from home. Look at this example. This creator has uploaded only 130 videos, and their long-form videos alone have received 334 million views. They are posting content in the autos and vehicles category. If we search on Google and check how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views in this category, we can see that creators earn anywhere from $5 to $12.50 or even more per 1,000 views. Now let's calculate using only the lowest rate of $5 per 1,000 views. With 334 million total views, this creator has earned more than $1.6 million. This is not a joke, and it's not fake. People are truly making huge money by creating luxury car restoration videos. This channel is clear proof. The videos are right in front of you, and the views are right in front of you. And the best part is that these videos are made using AI. These are car restoration videos. You can clearly see what happens. An old car, usually a classic model that was once very popular, is taken from scrap and slowly restored. It is cleaned, broken parts are replaced, and the full zero to hero journey of the car is shown in one long video. Viewers from the USA and European countries love watching this type of content. That's why we're going to create AI-powered restoration videos of old American and European classic cars and target these high-paying international audiences. I've worked very hard to prepare complete prompts for this entire process. Making these prompts takes a lot of effort, so please share this video as much as possible. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. Also, hit the like button if this video taught you something useful.
First of all, you need a list of different old classic car models from the USA and European countries. In other words, you need ideas. To generate ideas, I've created a very powerful prompt for you. Go to the description of this video. You will find the idea generation prompt there. Inside this prompt, I have included complete details about which types of cars we need and which countries they should come from. Copy this prompt from the video description and come directly to ChatGPT. Paste it into the prompt box, press enter, and you'll start getting ideas. Look here, you now have 10 ideas. The first idea is a silver Mercedes-Benz. Its model is written, the country is mentioned, and the condition of the car is explained. Within 3 lines each, you get 10 complete video ideas. Now, if you want to make a video on any one of these ideas, you will need to create a complete story for that idea. And after the story, you will need to generate different scenes from that story. To make a complete 15-minute long video, you will need at least 100 video clips, and you'll need to join them together. You'll divide your story into 100+ scenes. Yes, it's a long process, but I'm going to explain it in such a way that everything will fit clearly in your mind, and you'll be able to do everything exactly the way I show you. Come back to the video description. Here, you will find the second prompt, which is the scene breakdown prompt. Copy this prompt from the video description and come back to ChatGPT. Paste it into the prompt box. In the Insert Topic section, paste any idea you want. From the ideas ChatGPT gave earlier, let me use this red Ferrari idea. Copy it and paste it into the Insert Topic section. Press enter. Now you can see that scenes are being generated. Each scene is 1 to 1.5 lines long, and ChatGPT will generate more than 100 scenes for your 15-minute video. Look at this. ChatGPT has generated 113 scenes. Let me show you how this is structured. ChatGPT has divided the video into 3 parts. The first part is abandoned discovery. The car is shown abandoned, dirty, and damaged with peeling paint. For this first part alone, ChatGPT has given us around 32 scenes. Then comes the second part, which is interior restoration. This section shows the interior condition, what's broken, damaged seats, and the dashboard. This part also has around 32 scenes. Then comes part 3, which is engine rebuilding. This section focuses on the engine and various mechanical parts. There are complete scenes for this part as well. In short, you need to create 113 video clips and you'll have a powerful 15-minute video that international audiences will love watching. Now, you need video prompts for each of these scenes. And for that, I've created another powerful prompt. Come back to the video description, you'll find the third prompt there, which is the video prompt generator. Copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Press enter. Just like before, you'll get prompts divided into 3 parts, the same way the scenes were divided. Look here, ChatGPT has written prompts for scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and so on. It will generate all 113 video prompts. After part 1 finishes, it will ask if you want part 2. Simply type continue. But here's the thing, you cannot use these video prompts directly. They're too short and too basic. Why? Let me show you. Look at the first scene prompt. It's only about 2.5 lines long. That's not enough to create a professional video. We need strong, detailed prompts that are around 10 to 12 lines long. The second prompt is even shorter. The third one is shorter as well. So we don't use these prompts directly. Instead, we use them with another powerful prompt that expands their length and adds professional level details. Come back to the video description. The fourth prompt is the Json prompt for expanding video prompts. This prompt adds deep details, camera angles, lighting, movement, everything. Copy this Json prompt from the description and come to ChatGPT. Now open a new chat window. Keep your previous chat separate because you'll need those scenes and video prompts. Paste the Json prompt into the new chat and press enter. Now ChatGPT understands everything. It's trained. You'll see ChatGPT saying that it understands and asking you to provide video prompts so it can convert them into detailed prompts. Now go back to your previous chat where the video prompts were generated. Copy the first video prompt and paste it into the new chat where the Json prompt was added. Press enter. Now look, ChatGPT has converted that short prompt into a powerful, detailed video prompt, including lighting, camera movement, atmosphere, and everything else we need. This is the kind of prompt required to create professional AI videos. Copy this complete Json prompt. This is your first scene's video prompt.
Now that we already have all our prompts ready, the next step is to convert these prompts into videos. You'll find many free tools available in the market that can generate videos without any payment. But the real question is, will their quality be good enough to create a complete 10 to 15-minute video? The answer is no. Free tools do not have the capability to deliver the same quality that paid tools can. That's why I'm going to use freebeat.ai. Freebeat.ai is a platform that gives you access to the subscriptions of many paid AI tools at a very low cost. Normally, you would have to buy these tools separately on different websites and pay a lot of money, but freebeat.ai brings everything together in one place. First of all, log in to freebeat.ai. After logging in, go to the Apps section and open text-to-video generation. Now paste your video prompt here. Then go to the Models section and select the AI tool you want to use. As you can see, there are many AI tools available in one place, whether it's Veo 3, Kling AI, or Sora 2. For this example, I'm going to select Veo 3 and see what result we get. I'll set the aspect ratio to 16.9 and the duration to 8 seconds. Then click on Generate and wait a few minutes until the video is created. Here is the final result. Wow, look at the details we're getting. Honestly, I think this is the best result for our video. Now, follow this same method for all 113 scenes. Take each scene from ChatGPT, generate a basic video prompt, expand it using the Json prompt, generate the video using Meta AI or Grok, and then download and save each clip. Yes, this takes time. You are creating 113 video clips. But this is the real and original method. And using this exact process, I've created sample versions of this type of video myself. If you apply this same method using paid plans, you'll get even better results. But if you want to work for free, you have to accept some limitations while still creating amazing content. Once you have all your clips, open CapCut or any free video editor. Arrange the clips in order, first discovery, then interior, then engine, and finally the final reveal. Add royalty-free background music from the YouTube audio library. Add text overlays showing the car model and year. Add sound effects like engine sounds, tools, and workshop ambience. Keep the pacing fast. Don't let any shot stay longer than 3 to 4 seconds. At the end, add a satisfying before and after comparison. Create a split-screen thumbnail showing the rusty, abandoned car on one side and the fully restored beauty on the other. Add text like 1989 Ferrari restoration or abandoned for 30 years. Let's check out the final result. Now, here's the truth. If you start making these videos from today, you can get millions of views and earn serious money from USA and European audiences. But whether it's big earnings or viral views, consistent hard work is mandatory. Upload at least one 15-minute video every week. Use strong titles with numbers and brackets, like restoring a $500 abandoned Ferrari 30 years old. Engage with comments, study your analytics, see which car models perform best, and then create more videos around those models. The opportunity is right in front of you. The tools are free. The prompts are in the description. The method is proven. All that's left is for you to start. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, share it with anyone who wants to make money on YouTube, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and drop a comment below telling me which classic car you'll restore first. Start today, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video when you're celebrating your first viral hit.